welcome back to Juggling Gym. Today I'm going to show you cool ways that you can start your juggling tricks. In some of my other videos I've talked about a multiplex throw. And a multiplex throw is where you throw 2 or more balls from one hand at the same time. In the Georgian Shuffle video I talked about a horizontal multiplex where you hold the balls like this and then you release them, and the red ball went to my left hand and the white ball stayed in my right hand. In the abracadabra juggling trick tutorial, I showed you a vertical multiplex where you hold them like this, you flick your wrist, and then they come out like that. And now I'm going to show you how to throw 3 balls from one hand, which is kind of like a combination of the horizontal and vertical multiplex. For the multiplex throw, I'm going to hold 3 balls like this. This ball is going to go highest, and then this ball, and then this ball. So you just flick your wrist, and that's the separation that you get naturally. If you don't get that separation, then it just means you need to flick your wrist more. Make sure to catch the lowest ball first, because it's the lowest ball, you have the least amount of time to catch it. You're gonna catch 2 balls with your left hand, or the hand that you don't start with. You're gonna catch 1 ball with your right hand, or the hand that you do start with. So, it looks like this. There, that's something I wanted to demo. You need to wait for there to be enough separation before you start grabbing the lowest ball. Make sure that you actually claw catch the lowest ball. So that's one cool way to start a juggling pattern. The next way is just to do the same thing but under the leg. So it looks like this, not like that. That's another mistake you can make, grabbing 2. Wait for the separation. So it's pretty much the same thing. If you can already do a under the leg throw, and you can do a multiplex, it's not too hard to combine them together. Just make sure to flick your wrist enough so you get that separation between the juggling balls. Also, these multiplex throws don't have to be something that you do at the beginning of a juggling trick. You can also do it in the middle of a pattern. So you're juggling 3 balls, you catch all 3, you do the multiplex, and then you keep going into it. For the next trick, you're going to pick 2 balls off the ground at the same time, and then you're going to start juggling. So the first thing is to practice the double pickup. So for the double pickup, it's just basically the same as the single pickup. You're just going to put 1 ball directly behind the other ball, like so. Then you're going to make sure that your foot is flexed, just like we talked about in the single ball pickup video. And then you need to really move your foot quickly so that the balls will get enough height and you can start juggling them. So I'll show you from this angle. And try to make sure that you get enough separation. You really have to flick your leg pretty fast in order to get the separation. Like that. Here it is from this side. As you're doing the pickup, you're going to throw the ball that's in your left hand. That's basically how I normally catch it. Don't worry if it's not perfect. It just needs to be catchable so that you can keep doing the trick. The next trick is also a pickup juggling trick. We're going to go from 3 balls to 4 balls. When I'm doing the pickup, I throw 1 ball high and over there. And then there's a brief moment where this ball is not doing any juggling. And then that's when I do the pickup. So basically what you want to do is just practice going from the pickup just with holding 1 ball. So, like that. So go to 2 balls in 1 hand. Throw the red ball right before the yellow ball gets there. Throw 1 ball over, and then you're doing 4. So sometimes I go into a sink fountain, and sometimes I go into an async fountain, just depending on how I catch it. Alright, it's really raining now. Thanks so much for watching the channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. I'll see you soon with another juggling video. Keep juggling and have fun.